Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and doing fast diagnostics. Make sure WordPress, your theme, Elementor, and PHP meet minimums. Incompatible versions cause panels to hang. Once done, disable caching and CDN, clear the browser cache, and open an incognito window so you avoid cached JS. Next, enable WP debug and inspect the server error log for fatal errors. This tells you whether a plugin or theme is crashing the widget loader. Proceed only after you gather these initial error messages. You now isolate the problem systematically. Deactivate every plugin except Elementor and Elementor Pro. This reveals plugin conflicts that block the panel. If the issue persists, switch to a default theme such as 2023 to rule out theme scripts. While reproducing the problem, open the browser console and look for JavaScript errors. Note file paths and line numbers. They indicate which script is failing. Once you identify the culprit, reactivate items one by one to confirm the exact source of the conflict. You finish by applying targeted fixes and validating stability. If a plugin or theme is at fault, update it, roll back to a stable version, or replace it with a compatible alternative. This resolves most issues. If resource errors appear, increase PHP memory limit to 256 MB and max execution time to 300 seconds, then restart PHP. Once fixed, clear all caches and retest. If the panel still won't load, restore a known good backup or contact your host for server-level errors. But first, record console errors to include in the support ticket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.